Welcome to Animal World. Your support inspires us. Kindly subscribe if possible. Hummingbirds are birds native to the Americas. They are the smallest of birds. The smallest extant hummingbird is B. hummingbird, which weighs less than 2 grams. They are known as hummingbirds because of the humming sound created by their beating wings, which flap at high frequencies audible to humans. They hover in mid-air at rapid wing flapping rates, which vary from around 12 beats per second in the largest species, to in excess of 80 in some of the smallest. Of those species that have been measured in wind tunnels, their top speeds exceed 54 kilometers per hour, and some species can dive at speeds in excess of 80 kilometers per hour. Hummingbirds have the highest mass-specific metabolic rate of any homeothermic animal. To conserve energy when food is scarce and nightly when not foraging, they can go into torpor, a state similar to hibernation, and slow down their metabolic rate. Hummingbirds exhibit sexual size dimorphism according to Wrench's rule, in which males are smaller than females in small-bodied species, and males are larger than females in large-bodied species. Hummingbirds are specialized nectarivores, and are tied to the ornithophilous flowers upon which they feed. This coevolution implies that morphological traits of hummingbirds, such as bill length, bill curvature, and body mass are correlated with morphological traits of plants, for example corolla length, curvature, and volume. Some species, especially those with unusual bill shapes, such as the sword-billed hummingbird and the sicklebills, are co-evolved with a small number of flower species. Many plants pollinated by hummingbirds produce flowers in shades of red, orange, and bright pink, though the birds will take nectar from flowers of other colors as well. Hummingbirds can see wavelengths into the near ultraviolet, but hummingbird-pollinated flowers do not reflect these wavelengths as many insect-pollinated flowers do. This narrow color spectrum may render hummingbird-pollinated flowers relatively inconspicuous to most insects, thereby reducing nectar robbing. Hummingbird-pollinated flowers also produce relatively weak nectar containing a high proportion of sucrose, whereas insect-pollinated flowers typically produce more concentrated nectars dominated by fructose and glucose. Thank you so much for being with me till the end. Let us protect our wildlife, just like our pets. Will you please watch our next video?